Hello traders, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over some trades that you could have taken for the week. These trades were A+ setups, they were easy to predict, and they were high probability. So with zero stress, you can put a lot of volume onto them and make a lot of money. So let me show you what you could have taken for the week. So as you can see, trading is a funny game. All you see is squiggly lines going up and down. So how on earth are you supposed to predict these movements, Well, timings, level, behavior of price, and getting signals from the higher time frame, and also counting the day cycles. That's how you can predict these movements in the market. Price is very random, but what remains the same are the levels. So let me show you some examples. In this example, we have the USD CAD. And what do we have on the USD CAD? For us to count the cycles, we need to find out where price has broken out of the daily high or low from the previous day, and if it closes back within the range. So for this example, as you can see, this day, that was the high and the low of Thursday. Friday came out, it took the high of the previous day and then closed back within the range. So this makes it day 1, day 2, and we have day 3 on Tuesday. So Monday sets the high and the low for the week, and Tuesday usually expands the range. It usually breaks out of a high or low and continues trading down, or it ranges, or it reverses. In this example, we have day 3, day 1, this is day 1, day 2, day 3, and then we have price in the new month. This was June 30, and this is the 1st of July, new month. We're expecting some wild and crazy shit to happen. So we look at the levels, timing, and behavior of price. As you can see, price came out, new month, at the low for the week, which was the low of Monday, day 3, and we're also bouncing at the monthly open and yesterday's close and above the EMA for an explosive move back to the upside. And the cycle just restarts. As you can see, price broke down here and then closed back within the range. So this becomes day 1, day 2, day 2 closed as the first red day, day 3 comes along, timings, level, behavior of price. This was in the New York session, the 3rd hour trade. That was the 2nd hour trade. In this example was the 1st hour trade. That was 1st hour, that was 2nd hour. As you can see, day 3, we know explosive moves happen on day 3, retesting the monthly open for a collapse back down, coming off the first red day signal to the low of day. That was some nice movements on USD CAD. Let's go explore the NAS 100. What did NAS 100 give us in the new month? So we have Monday set the high and the low for the week. Monday is usually day 1. As you can see here, there hasn't been any break of a previous high or low like the previous example. So Monday just becomes day 1, day 2, day 3. What do we have on Tuesday? Price usually expands the range. Price usually does 3 things on Tuesday. It usually breaks out from the high or low and ranges, which it did, or breaks out and reverses, or breaks out and continues trending. So in this example, price broke out and just ranged. Day 3 comes along. As we know, day 3, explosive moves in the market. Wednesday is day 3, midpoint range of the week. Also becomes day 1 after it's closed, but in the meantime, as the day plays out, it's day 3. And what do we have? Timings, level, behavior of price. We have timing. We are at yesterday's low and at the low of the week. Look what's happening at the timing. Look at the levels, yesterday's close. Look at the EMA, and look at the Asian lows. This is all levels that you could be trading off. Just take your pick. And where is price going? Well, price is going to yesterday's high and also the high of the week. That was very, very nice on the NAS 100. And what do we have on gold? Alright, we stick to the basics. What do we have on Monday? Set the high, set the low. What do we have on Monday? We have a day one. As you can see, price broke out from yesterday's low and trade back within the range. Day one, day two, day three. Midpoint range of the week. What's going to happen? Either price is going to trend or reverse. Timings level behavior of price. Third hour on the metals. What do we have? We have a first green day signal from day two for a timing level behavior of price trade back to the high of yesterday and the high of the week. Thank you, traders. Hope you learned something from this video, and keep it simple. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later.